Welcome back to another Splash House vlog. Sorry we've been MIA, but hopefully it hasn't felt too long. This week, we're dropping a quick anchor in Hopetown for one last look at that iconic candy cane lighthouse before heading over to Great Guana Key. Then it's masks on as we dive into the underwater magic at Mermaid's Reef, just outside Marsh Harbor. Spoiler alert, it's way more lively than Ariel ever promised. And that's a shark right next to where we were just jumping, so I think that means it's time to go.
Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey girl.
All right, crew, we're headed to the Mermaid's Reef, and I've got a good feeling about today. Sun's out, water's perfect. What could possibly go wrong? Hold up, Dolphins alert.
Okay, we haven't seen a ton of dolphins since we've been in the Bahamas. And
I haven't seen any.
oh yeah, we've seen like one or two. And we just saw so many when we were sailing back.
So I had to throw the drone up right over there. They're going towards the cut. You see it?
No, it's too far away.
The fin right over there.
We're thinking, we just anchored.
You don't see it on the GoPro.
We're thinking about going over there in the dinghy, just because we haven't seen them.
I'm trying to swim with some.
Yeah, and we just flew the drone. We did get some on the drone, so that was cool. But
okay,
should we go over there?
Yeah, keep your eyes right over there.
Okay.
This is it, the moment I've been waiting for all season. Forget the reef, forget lunch, forget my dignity, we're going in. Quick question for you guys. If you saw dolphins in the wild, would you jump in or just watch from the boat? Drop your answers in the comments because I'm about to show you my choice. If you remember back to our rope swing adventures, I came this close to swimming with dolphins. And then, yeah, I may have screamed a little too loud and scared them all away. Not this time. Nope, today is my redemption day. Okay, they're fast. I'll give it to them. For some reason, I thought this boat could catch up to them. No luck. They're too fast for us. We lost them as we were getting in the dinghy. Or did they get away? He's pretty far ahead, though, if he is. Probably right around where that bird is flying. 2, 3! That's the whole pod! Oh my god! Let's go! We're back!
They're coming towards us.
They're coming at us!
They're coming at us.
Coming at us! They're coming at us! Left, left, left!
Where?
Come on, come swim, come swim, come swim!
Oh my god, hold on to honey, hold on to honey.
Let's go!
Hold on to honey. Where are we going?
Off to Mermaid's Reef to go get a little snorkeling in. And we spotted the dolphins again. They came right up to the boat. We're still following those dolphins.
Where?
Up in the sky over by that beach. See it?
Yeah, I mean, we can go over there if you want.
It's too far. I don't think we have enough fuel in the dinghy.
Some of you will go farther than that.
But we don't have fuel, that's the problem.
It probably definitely is over the dolphins.
Yeah. You know what? We probably could just anchor too with our dinghy.
You sure you don't want to go over there?
Girl, we're gonna get stranded as hell. We're gonna have to sit here and pump the fuel into the thing. And we have no oil. Do we do it?
How much fuel will it save if we go fast?
Yep, they got away. All right, Dolphins, round 1 goes to you. But next season, I'm coming back with flippers, goggles, and maybe a tasty little treat that you just can't resist. Comment below and let me know what my dolphin strategy should be for next season. Onward to Mermaid's Reef, because if I can't swim with dolphins, at least I can pretend to be one. Oh, and if you're rooting for me to finally win with the Dolphin Showdown next season, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss it.
Let's get after it, y'all. You ready?
Yep, go ahead.
No, we gotta go together. Long hair problems over there.
Let's go.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
bittersweet vibes on our last snorkel in the Bahamas, but we had to cut it short to grab some fuel and start pushing back to the U.S. in order to make it back in time for wedding season. Cash just crushed that dock.
So did Keenan. Our first time docking in the Bahamas.
On our way out.
Only because of necessity.
Top off here and be good to go until we get back in the States.
He's coming back, bud. He's coming back. He's coming back for you. I would never leave Honey Girl. Yeah. No.
So we've always struggled with this starboard side burping when we fuel up, but normally we have hoses that are much bigger, and this hose is nice and small. So I'm hoping that helps make a difference for fueling up this time.
I think it means it just needs to be like cleaned, right? We saw.
Yeah, it could be like a fuel filter or something. Is what people were saying.
Looks like it's working.
Yeah. Have to get this one first, probably. Loosened up. All right, go ahead. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, you too. Good work, everybody.
Good job.
Forgot you had that going. Good job. After topping off fuel to make sure we actually get back to North Carolina, we took a little hop, skip, and a splash across the water. The destination? An anchorage just before the legendary Don't Rock Passage. Sounds simple, right? But with a name like that, you just know there's a story waiting to happen. From there, we'll be pushing on towards West End. But first, let's get some rest before seeing if we can sneak through this passage in next week's episode without adding any new battle scars to the boat.
Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday. It's probably our last beach day. We only have like an hour or so. We are anchored in Great Guana Key, and we're just gonna go enjoy the beach for 45 minutes before we have to head through the Don't Rock Passage at high tide. We just put the GoPro on Honey. We haven't done that. We've only done it one other time, so you're gonna see some Honey footage, which is
That honey cam.
the best. If we put it on Doodle, she'd just probably sit down, but you know, maybe if Doodle's feeling spunky, we'll put it on her.
That's good. That's good. Hopefully. Are we ready, Mama San? Okay, in the boat. In the boat. Good girl. You're soaking wet. Come here. Come. Honey, come. Your camera's messed up. Honey, no. Come here. Okay, there we go.
Is it still recording?
I think so. Good girl, dude. Good girl. Look at you go. Find a good toy and I'll throw it. Go find a good stick.
Honey. Hi, honey. Okay.
This is gonna be too big. This is too big, honey.
Is it dead? We should keep it.
Yeah.
Look, honey.
Found a sand dollar. Okay, let's go find. Oh, look at. Ready?
Should we put it on Doodle for a second?
Sure.
Hey,
There's
honey.
a couple walking on the beach.
Yeah.
It's the bougie area.
Doodle, come on, Doodle. Come on, Doodle.
That's a good shot, Doodle.
Come on, Doodle.
That's a good. She's like, I'm just gonna lay here. Go get mom. Go get mom. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi.
We just met Reese Witherspoon, guys. That's crazy. But we didn't acknowledge that she was Reese Witherspoon. We were trying to be cool about it. They're on vacation, but that was so crazy. Right when they walked away, they like talked to us for a second, or the person that she was with did, and we both looked at each other and we were like, "Was that?" Yeah, it was crazy. But we're on this bougie beach that's kind of like hard to get to, so makes sense. Makes sense. Oh my God, Doodle's walking perfectly into the frame. Doodle's blocking you for sure.
Yeah. Where'd you put your stick? Here, honey, come on. Are you ready?
Doodle's like. Well, that's a wrap on another perfect day in the Bahamas. It's bittersweet that our time here is almost up, but the adventure's not over yet.
We've missed you the past couple of weeks while wedding season had us running around, but we're so stoked to be back. If you had fun hanging with us today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Next week, we're taking you to some of the bluest water the Northern Abacos has to offer, dolphin encounters, and of course, me battling yet another round of boat projects. We'll see you next Wednesday.
Thanks for watching.